Okay, this is how you get to Pebble Go. So you go onto Clever, and then you click on this app that says Pebble Go. It's red and yellow. You click on that, and there's a ton of different information. You are going to go to Social Studies, so look at the globe, click Social Studies, and then you're going to go to
Being a good citizen.
Whoa, you're going to click Being a Good Citizen. And then this is where you get to choose. So there's a ton of different topics, and you're going to choose 3 to click on and read and learn about. There's cooperation, courage, honesty, leadership, loyalty, patriotism, protests, respect, responsibility, self-discipline, sportsmanship, tolerance, and volunteering. So you're going to choose one. So let's say you're interested in learning more about protests.
Respect.
Protests.
You click on that, and then remember, you can listen to everything.
A protest is an organized event.
I'm going to pause it there, but you'll listen to that. And there's different tabs you're going to read about. So what is a protest?
Kinds of protests. Why do they happen? History. Kids have a voice.
Okay, so you'll read about each of those sections, and then when you're finished, let's say you're done reading about protests.
Being a good citizen.
If you look at the top, you can just
Being
click
a
back
good citizen.
and choose another topic. Okay, so you'll do this 3 times, and then you're going to share with me which topics you read about and something you learned from each one. And that is it.